everybody. I am coming to your area. My name is John Prescott, and I'm Keller Williams Master Faculty, and I've been asked to teach expireds and for sale by owners. Now, we have a class that's called Lead Generation 3612-3, and part of that class is FSBOs and expireds. Many years ago, I built my business on expired listings and for sale by owners. You may be asking yourself, why should I attend? Well, here's one thing that we know. Expired listings happen every single day all across the country. So why are you possibly not getting your unfair share of expired listings? Is it possibly because you don't know what to say, the conversation? Is it possibly if you list an expired listing, how can you do a better job than the previous agent? We're going to uncover all of those truths and myths that we have around expired listings. I'm also going to talk to you about for sale by owner listings. See, for sale by owners take a longer time. There's about an incubation period of about 6 to 8 weeks before a for sale by owner, from the day they put their sign in the yard until they list, will list with a professional real estate agent. And by the way, did you know that 94% of all for sale by owners will eventually list with the professional real estate agents? So my question is, are you getting your unfair share of expired listings and for sale by owners? Be sure and come to the class and you'll find out all the secrets on how to do it the right way.